Vortex is a 4-day tech fest for the students where students will be able to showcase their best talents and they will come up with the best solutions of the problem statements that will be given to them. Tech Fest includes hackathon. Tech Fest also includes algo hunt, IT quiz and Kaggle days. Students will be able to network with the students of different institutions. They will also be able to meet with different industry experts that are coming to the institute. They will be able to connect, collaborate and network with them. Also, Kaggle Days is an event where students will be able to meet many data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts and AI experts who are visiting in the campus. I wish this Tech Vortex a grand success.